For the first time, we're learning about the scope of the spread of COVID-19 at the Downtown Salvation Army homeless shelter. 14 women at the shelter tested positive, and half of them didn't report having any symptoms. KXAN investigator Kevin Clark is asking how this will change the city's approach to protecting vulnerable communities.
The Salvation Army's downtown shelter has reopened after being closed for about 3 weeks. Of the 39 residents tested for COVID-19 in early April, 7 were positive with symptoms.
Most of them aren't as fortunate as other people to be able to go to a doctor when they need it. And so their immune system is not strong to start with.
7 others were merely silent carriers. Without widespread testing, it's impossible to know who may be contagious. That makes containing outbreaks especially challenging for the Salvation Army, which has rolled out new protocols like mandatory temperature checks before entry and questions about symptoms like coughing.
How will you know who is truly safe or not, since half of the positive population tested was asymptomatic?
Yeah, so you're right. We would have no clue. So we take the symptoms that they give us.
Part of the solution appears to be getting our most vulnerable off the street by any means possible. On Tuesday, Austin Public Health Director Stephanie Hayden told council all 3 of the hotels converted to protective lodging are at capacity, with those experiencing homelessness. Only some of those women who were removed from the Salvation Army shelter when it closed will return.
Some of them may go back to the Salvation Army. Some of them may stay where they are, and we'll just case manage them to a longer term facility, of something more permanent.
The result is a revolving door at the shelter, where new rooms have opened up to bring people in off the street. Austin Commander Major Louis Reckline tells me up to 80 women could now stay there, while the shelter still increases social distancing. Kevin Clark, KXAN investigates.
When we asked Austin Public Health about releasing citywide asymptomatic case data, a spokesperson said APH is collecting that information, but it's not readily available.
There are now over 35,000 cases of COVID-19 in Texas, and 1,000 deaths have now been reported statewide. Locally, we have over 2,700 cases with almost 2,000 in Travis County, and more than 1,000 people have now recovered across our area. We have a full breakdown at KXAN.com. New tonight, the Home Slice Pizza restaurant location on East 53rd Street in Austin is closed after a worker tested positive for COVID-19. This is one of the first local restaurants we've heard from confirm it's had a case of the coronavirus. The employee last worked there on Sunday. Home Slice says no other staff members are showing symptoms, and all workers there have been tested. The restaurant said it wanted to be transparent and alert the community. The restaurant will reopen after a deep cleaning.